Guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make cinnamon roll bread pudding. Oh my goodness, who doesn't like a nice cinnamon roll with a cup of coffee or a glass of milk in the morning? At any rate, this is absolutely amazing. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you'll always get my recipes every time I upload one. Give the video a like, share it out, and then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, we are back, and if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are getting ready to go over the ingredients, and I will have all the ingredients, measurements, and directions down in the description for you to refer back to. Okay, you're gonna need some day-old bread. French bread works absolutely amazing. We're just gonna take this and cut it into cubes. I have a lot more ingredients than this, but a lot of them are duplicate. So I'm just gonna go over the basic ingredients, and all the other ingredients we'll get to as we go along. You've got eggs and cinnamon, flour, brown sugar, butter, milk, and you'll need a casserole dish. Make sure it's oven proof. Okay, let's get this cinnamon roll bread pudding made. Well, the first thing we need to make is our cinnamon swirl. So your first thing you want to do is add all the ingredients to the pot. That was cinnamon. We're going in with some light brown sugar. A couple of tablespoons of butter, flour, and water. Now we're going to let this melt and cook down over medium heat, slowly cooking down until it comes to gently a boil. Then we're going to just stir it for maybe about 30 seconds and let it cool back down to room temperature. Now we're actually going to prepare our bread pudding. You want your casserole, either put butter on it or spray it. I'm spraying it with a butter spray. Spray it really well. So next, I've already cubed up my bread. You can cut it, you can tear it, doesn't matter. Just make sure it's in cubes about this size and that most of the cubes are roughly the same size. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to use this measuring cup, and to it, we're going to whisk together our eggs. Milk, brown sugar, a little vanilla, and salt, just a pinch. We want to whisk this together really well. Okay, now set this aside. Okay, so to this prepared bowl, we're going to add about half of our bread. That looks like about half. No measuring going on here. Then you want to spoon over. You want to spoon over half of this cinnamon swirl all over your bread. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just want to get it in there. We're going to add the other half of the bread. And we're going to spoon the rest of this over this half. I am going to whisk this one more time. Then we're going to pour this mixture right over the top. Using our spoon, we're going to press it down, making sure all of it is soaked. Then we're going to just let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes, making sure it all soaks up some of this liquid. And this is bread pudding, guys. So when you're all said and done, you want to store it in the refrigerator, boys and girls, in the refrigerator. It is a pudding. Now we're just pushing it down some, making sure it's all getting into that mixture. Now we're going to let this sit for a while and we'll be back. Okay, now we are going to add just a few little pecans here and there. You don't have to if you don't want to. I kind of like just a little bit of pecans in mine. And we're going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 25-30 minutes or until a knife inserted in it comes out clean. Now we're going to make our icing while our cinnamon roll bread pudding is in the oven. Again, all the measurements and everything will be down in the description. You want to drizzle this on when it comes out and it's still nice and hot. Okay, guys, let's go on over to the oven and see if our cinnamon roll bread pudding is done. Yeah, that's good enough. Woohoo, we are done. Now it's time for us to go ahead and get it iced. Ooh, doesn't that look amazing already? Oh my goodness, and it smells absolutely delicious. Okay, so now we're going to pour our icing on. You want to let it sit for maybe about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, so that it just won't melt away. You want it to stay on there. You don't want it to melt away. So you just want to drizzle this on over here any way you want. No rhyme or reason to the icing. Take a look, take a look. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out here in my kitchen with me while I made cinnamon roll bread pudding for you. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. If you got anything out of the video and you enjoyed it, give the video a like and share it out. Leave me some comments and tell me what you think about cinnamon roll bread pudding. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.